Hello class. This short video is about choosing good sources, good outside sources, for your essay about Between the World and Me. So I'm going to start with some sources that are not so good. So this is a book review of Between the World and Me from Kirkus Reviews. And it's not bad, but look that it's just a short article about the book. I don't think you're going to get anything out of a really short article about the book like that. Let's try something a little better. This is from USA Today. I don't really recommend USA Today. You might find something good. However, their articles tend to be really short, and so you're not going to get a lot of information. So notice this article right here. It looks kind of interesting, but it's kind of over already. So it's not much there. So you'll get a little bit out of it, but not too much. Let's look at something better. I think Vox is a good online magazine. And so you want to be looking for enough detail to really help you with your essay, but not too much. So there are huge racial disparities in how U.S. police use force. So this is definitely on topic for your essay. If you're doing topic 1, I think this was your starter article in the research kit from, I think it was week 9. So let's scan this article. Notice that with statistics, this is information you don't have in the book, right? You want to find some detail that's not in the book. And then you put together the book plus this, and you'll have a great paper. So let's scan this article. I think the charts are really good. It shows that they have some solid, detailed evidence. And notice the length of the article. It's long, but it's not crazy long. So it's got enough to help you out, but it's not 60 pages long. Let's look at another good source. This was your starter source if you're doing topic number 2. I really recommend The Conversation. A lot of their articles are written by professors, but they're not scholarly journal articles. They're not going to be 50 pages long. So they're long enough to have some detail, but they're not going to overwhelm you. So look at this article here. Notice that it's long enough to have a lot of good stuff for your essay, but it doesn't go on and on and on forever. So you're not going to overwhelm yourself. And notice also that it has hyperlinks. So you can see things that are underlined, you can get more information. So for example, segregation in Minneapolis, like elsewhere in the U.S., is the result of historical practices such as the issuing of racialized real estate covenants that kept non-white people from buying or occupying land. So here, racial covenants, so that's part of your topic if you're doing topic 2. So I'm going to do right-click, open in new tab, and see what we have. Check it out. What are covenants? Perfect. We get some basic information about this issue from the hyperlinks. So that shows that the person who wrote this article, Julian Ackerman, really did his homework. Okay? So this is the kind of article you're looking for this essay. Let me show you one more thing. So here I am in the library database, and I chose scholarly peer review articles, and I'm going to click on this one, and then PDF full text to see what it really looks like. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Understanding racial disparities in force. So this is a topic 1 article understanding racial disparities in police use of lethal force. Lessons from fatal police-on-police shootings. Okay, that seems on topic if I'm doing topic 1. Notice the beginning of the article is a summary. This is called an abstract. And then I'm scrolling down. I'm going to kind of check it out. This might be a useful article, or I might find it a little over my head. Like this chart here, it says N equals 258. I haven't studied statistics, so I'm a little nervous about this article. I might not really understand all of it. So if I feel like it's over my head, this one is actually 25 pages. This might be a little too much for me. Okay? So you want articles that are just right for you. This one might be a little over my head, so I don't think I'm going to try to tackle this one. This one is too short. Like, it's just going to tell me stuff I already know. So an article like this is just right for you, I think, in this essay. You want an article with some detail, but not 50 pages long. Okay? So this is around just right. This is just right. This one's too short. And probably this one is too long and too detailed for me to really absorb it. All right. I am done with this video.